Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Murfreesboro, Tennessee at Charlie's Custom Creations. And gotta throw a disclaimer out here. For those who did not like Kevin Hart's Roadrunner, you're probably not gonna like this Roadrunner today because you'll think they ruined this car. But Charlie and the crew really built one wild Roadrunner, and we're getting ready to take pictures of it.
Hey, I'm Charlie Swanson, owner of Charlie's Custom Creations here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Jamie Hyder's the owner of this beautiful 1968 Roadrunner. He brought it to us about 4 years ago to start building on this project, and it kind of evolved into a pro touring, just crazy build. And as you can see, there's so many modifications to this car, just setting all the gaps, a full lip kit all the way around the car, full billet grille, custom headlight bezels, diffuser, splitter, custom engine bay. It's just a whole lot of stuff that you don't really see on a Roadrunner. Most people don't cut up modified Roadrunners or any Mopars. So the interior is all done by Concord Customs. They're in Nolensville, Tennessee, just right up the road from us. So Brett has been doing interiors for years and has done quite a few builds for us. The color is a House of Color Voodoo Violet with a PPG DCU 2021 clear. There's 4 coats of clear. It's close to 6,000 hours in the full build of this car. If you come around the back of the car, put a small little duckbill spoiler on there, incorporated all the rear end, put a giant diffuser on there. It's all matte black accents throughout the whole car. Same thing with the trim. Running a 383 Mopar, original motor, and it's been board stroked to a 496. So big cubes in this car. And we were gonna go with the modern motor, but it was his dad's car, and he wanted to keep something that was basically original, and that's what we done.
Hey, hope you all enjoyed that car as much as I did. The guys at Charlie's Custom Creations here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, really building some cool cars that you should check out. They even have a high horsepower Jeep Scrambler that's ridiculous. So go to their YouTube channel, check those guys out, give them a follow on social media. I'm loaded up, calling it a night. Hope to be shooting with Tim Strange from Strange Motion Rod and Custom tomorrow. And this was car number 5 for the year. And hopefully get 6 knocked out tomorrow and then head south.